Welcome to our brand new listing just on MLS now. And it is under $500,000. And it's a property suited beautifully for a retiree, a first-time buyer, or even an investor. So I'd like you to come and take a walk with me through the unit, and you can see the wonderful things about it. Come on. That was a pretty nice property. I'd like to talk to you about two guarantees that our company, Your Home Sold Guaranteed Real Estate Services, offers to first time for any type of buyer. Is that if you buy this and you don't like it, we will sell it for free. How's that for confidence in buying? Second thing is, if you have a home to sell because you're buying down, we will guarantee the sale of your house so you can buy this home firm. If you'd like a viewing of this property and a bit more detail about our guarantees, give us a call at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty Services at 905-332-2207. I'm Alison Walsh. Thank you. I'm Alison Walsh with Guaranteed Real Estate Services, and I'm very proud of our company. We support Juravinski Cancer Patient Care in Hamilton. It's an organization that helps cancer patients during, before, and after treatment. And how we support them is that on every home that we sell, a portion of our commission goes directly to Juravinski. So if you're thinking of making a move, call us. You're going to get great service and you're going to help cancer patients. So give us a call at 905-332-2207 and have yourself a great day.